everyone, we're going to determine the convergence or divergence of the series and identify the tests or tests, if we use two tests, that we use. So we have n squared times e to the power of negative n. So we're going to use the ratio test and note that the limit as n approaches infinity of absolute value of a sub n plus 1 divided by a sub n. So that's going to equal the limit as n approaches infinity. And for a sub n plus 1, you're going to get n plus 1 squared times e to the power of negative n plus 1 divided by a sub n, which is just n squared. Let's see. Times e to the power of negative n. All right, let's see what we have for our e's. This gives us the limit as n approaches infinity. And these are both squares. So I'm going to write this as n plus 1 divided by n squared. Now let's look at this piece right here. This is really, now I'm going to write it out, e to the power of negative n minus 1 times e. We have negative n, so now it's going to be plus n. So this is going to end up being e to the power of negative n minus 1 plus n. The n's cancel out, so we get e to the power of negative 1. Now, when you evaluate this limit, this goes to 1. So you have 1 times e to the power of negative 1. Or you can call this 1 divided by e, which is less than 1. So it satisfies condition 1. By the way, I have this on my Facebook page if you want to save a photo of that. So that just means this is convergent. Our series is convergent. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.